Get into the 2022 Subaru Ascent. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this handsome Subaru Ascent, the family-oriented SUV that features all-wheel drive, 3-row seating, and a refined cabin loaded with amenities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC. Refined style meets robust capability in this good-looking Ascent. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.